Hi again, this is Michael, the Digitization Officer at Heritage Library, and today I'm going to show you how to preserve or digitize from the tape audio cassette. This is tape deck that we have. We're gonna use the similar equipment as we do in reel-to-reel. So tape, the cassette, and also the converter. We are using Audacity to preserve the digital file, and also this is just for monitors. So I will fire on the tape deck and pick one of the cassette. This one here. Side A and B just identified. This is like Infending, Uncle Fania. This is one of collection from Rob Wilson paper. One of the collections at Heritage Library here. Put the tape in. And we're gonna put the speaker monitor on so we can hear them. And also, I already plugged the cable. Audio and video file inside behind this tape deck. It's all the way there. Yeah, all good, Sonam, thank you. And then we're gonna go to Audacity. It's ready to go, and we're gonna create a folder to destination where is the we are going to store them for time being. So similar, we're going to document folder DJ session project in 2021, and I'll go to July 27th of July 2021, and we just, this is our Rob Wilson paper. So HMSS 007 Rob Wilson paper inside a folder, and then I create audio cassette. And then we're gonna name this collection, which is eject on the collection Uncle Fania. I just call it Uncle Fania. We already have the folder. Now we're gonna do some audio check. Put back the one and hit play. Oop. You can control the audio here as well, the output. That's 10. I'll lower it a little bit to 7, 5. 5 is ideal normally. Depend. And from here, and we are going to try to capture the audio. Audacity, open a new project and then just hit record. And we'll see the audio meter how high is it go. I'm gonna try because I wanna hit that number 12 decibel as a standard digital audio file, and I'm gonna hit up a little bit over here to 7. Just gonna wait. Go back to that, yeah. Pretty much. We are recording. So recordings will be depend how many content inside the hour, and also we can try reset the time, and this is the time of our recording, so already 1 minute and 27 seconds, and we can always reset it and start in the start of the recording, and then we can check in Audacity. This number, this will tell you how long that we already do some recording and capturing the audio. Because if you're doing lots of tape, you will need like a help or assistant to remember which time are you, which minute are you working on, which is going to be very helpful. Now, imagine we are finished. We just hit stop button. We stop and then stop recording there. Stop, and then we just command 3. This is the audio file that we already digitized from the tape on a real time, and we're gonna export as a WAV file to the new destination, of course. Project 2021 July, and then Crumbles and Paper, audio cassette, Uncle Fania. I'll just copy that file name. And then enter. It will save the destination that we want, and we're gonna check over here. We have it. Check. We do have them. Turn on. And the second file is gonna export as MP3 as well. Alright, so that's the whole process, very simple. Just from the tape to the tape deck, or the CD, and this is the monitor, and we're just gonna store it on the document, and we will copy it on some sort of the device carrier like USB or external hard drive, and we will do the digital enhance on the other computer, the Adobe Premiere. We'll be right back. Hello there, back with Michael, the Digitization Officer at SCT Heritage Library. This time I want to show you how we are converting an audio file from oral history or from several carrier like reel-to-reel, audio cassette, or a vinyl record from turntable. And we already have one collection here, oral history collection. Give me a moment, go back to that one. SCT Canberra Panel Engineering Heritage Australia, and we are going to copy that file, and we are using Adobe Premiere. I'm gonna open Adobe Premiere. We are create new project, and then copy that file collection name and a number that we copied earlier, and then we are going to store them in an external hard drive. I've got Digi3 here available. I'm just gonna save it there. As for example, select folder, and I'll say OK. We are on the Premiere now. Now we need to create a sequence. We're gonna name the sequence a box. We're gonna create the bin because this comes from different box. Sometimes the collection is coming from different box. So I'm gonna pick box 1. From there, just gonna copy that call number, create the bin. So right click up here, new bin, and that's a box 1. Actually I just do box 1, be easier. And then we have the bin, it's specialized for every file, audio file from box 1. We're going back to the folder, box 1 with audio cassette, for example. We'll have MP1 Mr. Charles Bob, create that one. And then we're gonna create the sequence, so Control N. And then name the sequence, Control V. We have a sequence now. Now we are going to drag that sequence So we have master copy, which is a WAV file and MP3 file. We are converted straight away from the audio cassette. So we're gonna drag that one over here to our sequence here. We have that one. Play. We got the right one, and I'm going to modify the audio channel into the mono, so will allow me to play 2 lines of audio here, and in order to export to the stereo when we finish the process. So just hit comma, and we will have 2 lines of audio here, left and right. Press home button. It will take us to the beginning of the audio and play. As you can see, the audio meter here is a little bit low. Just hit 18, but however, you might picking up along the way. It's a bit too low now. I'm just gonna enhance the audio level. So right click over here and then go to the audio gain. I can bring this one a little bit closer to you, SONAM. Yeah. And then I'll put probably about 6 decibel higher. And try. That's much better. And if you hear that properly, there's a clicking noise that quite annoying to be inside the collection. So what I do is I want to hit this effect button here. Just gonna wait. And then we go to this effect button. We're gonna go hit the audio effect and then hit noise reduction restoration and just hit that automatic click remove. I'll expand it a little bit so you can read it. We'll just drag that one to the audio, and this is supposed to be allow us to get rid of that clicking noise. Different. That's different. Go back to that one. If I redo that one, then we have much better noise and clean noise. And yeah.
We need to do this once again.
Yeah. Can do it again. Okay. We do that one more time. So as you can see. So start from the effect, yeah.
Got that one and then like that from here again.
Yeah.
Because
Sure. Okay. So we are going to go into effect and audio effect, and then go to the audio. Where is the audio effect? Hang on. Yes, we are on the audio effect, and just go to noise reduction or restoration. Just hit the automatic click remover. So that's end of the tab now. We can get in the end. So hit W button. We'll click the end. Now if we go back, hit the home button to the beginning. So we're able to store it into the stereo now level, and also get rid of that clicking noise as well. So I'm very happy with that. So we are going to produce an MP4 file. So what we do into this Control M, then pick the format. So we are going to MP3, and then preset. I'm going to the highest one, high quality, and then we need to set destination folder for this one. So it's gonna go to digitization or history. This one is panel engineering. box 1, audio cassette, Talos bulb on digital enhance. Save to there. Oh, just go example, go outside there, save, and we'll export them. That remaining about 6 minutes. So when we finish, the end product will be that digital enhance, and will be here as a MP3. We can play them. That's finished now, and let's cancel that one. And we are going to produce a WAV file as well for preservation and restore and storage. So Control M as well, and then change the format. We do have waveform audio over here, and then check the outcome. Still on the Digi3 and panel of engineering, box 1, audio cassette, Talos bulb, save, and then we're going to export that, and then this is the end product WAV file of the MP1 Talos bulb 1710-2003-1. So in the Talos bulb collection, we will have master copy, both of them MP3 and WAV, which is the original copy straight from the tape or any other carrier like reel-to-reel or vinyl record. And digital enhance, this is the one ready to store and ready to be published. So that's about it, and I hope that will be useful, and we'll see you next time.